Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to learn how to improve your English speaking skills step by step. Many people understand English, but they feel shy to speak. Don't worry, fluency comes with practice, not perfection. Let's learn simple methods you can start using today. Stop waiting to be perfect. The first mistake people make is waiting to speak perfect English. But remember, you learned your mother tongue by making mistakes. English is the same. Don't think, my grammar is not good. Just start speaking. Mistakes help you improve. Speak every day, even 5 minutes. You don't need hours of practice. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes daily. Talk about your day. I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast. I am watching this video. Speaking daily trains your brain to think in English. Think in English. Most learners first think in their native language and then translate into English. This slows you down. Instead, try to think directly in simple English. I am walking. I am feeling hungry. I am learning something new. This builds natural fluency. Learn small sentence patterns. Instead of learning difficult grammar rules, learn useful sentence patterns. I think that. I feel that. In my opinion, the reason is, these patterns help you speak longer sentences easily. Listen and repeat. Listening improves pronunciation and speaking speed. Watch short English videos. Pause after each sentence. Repeat the same sentence with the same tone. This method is called shadowing, and it improves fluency fast. Speak in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. This improves confidence. Body language, eye contact. You will feel more comfortable speaking in public. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Fear is the biggest problem. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Every mistake teaches you something new. Learn 5 new words daily. Vocabulary is important, but don't just memorize words. Use them in sentences. Example: word, improve. Sentence: I want to improve my English. Using words in sentences helps you remember them longer. Practice small conversations. Practice simple conversations like, where are you from? I am from India. What do you do? I am learning new skills. Small conversations build confidence for real-life situations. Record your voice. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Then listen and check. Are you speaking clearly? Are you speaking too fast or too slow? This helps you notice your mistakes and improve faster. Conclusion: improving English speaking is not difficult. Just remember, speak daily. Think in English. Don't fear mistakes. Practice small conversations. Be consistent. Fluency is a skill. The more you use it, the better you become. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow.